Welcome traders to educational part 6. This is the final video on the education, and here we will see the whole framework provided. So let's begin. The complete framework has two additional indicators, the MACD and the volume versus price indicator. Both of them are additional to the framework and can be removed if you so wish. Also, we will give you some trading tips. So let's begin. Before we continue, we'll read the disclaimer. The information contained in this website is solely for educational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. The risk of trading in securities markets can be substantial. Therefore, you must review and agree to our disclaimer before using this site. If you have not read the disclaimer in the previous lessons, then go ahead and stop the video right here and read the whole disclaimer. We will now proceed. The complete framework provided is what you see right here, from the red and green. Okay, and we have also provided two additional indicators, the volume profile and the MACD, which you may incorporate into the framework, and it will be, your framework will be as you see them right here. Basically, the VWAP line, okay, resets at 12 o'clock or 00 New York time, the new day, and it will go to where the trading is at that moment and continue from there on. Before this is 6 o'clock in the morning, New York time. So you will see the previous day overnight low, previous day settlement price, and previous day high price, all will be shown, so you have an idea of where the market is trading. The new settlement price will be this one right here. This one doesn't move because this settlement price will be the closing price of the previous day at 1600 hours New York time. The overnight low and the overnight high, they move up and down as the market moves, okay, during the night until 9:30 in the morning, when the new overnight low and overnight high prices will be shown at that time. Similarly, the support and resistance line, shown here in magenta color, will also show all the time, okay, and to the right you'll have it identified by the words SR line. You'll have also the today's VWAP identified, the overnight high, the overnight low, and the settlement price will also show all the time. Here to the right we have the volume profile, and to the bottom we have the MACD, which you may leave or you may take out as you wish, because they are additional to the framework. They will also be provided with the framework, but they have to be incorporated additionally to the framework, and they will show down here the MACD, and right here it will show the volume profile. We will now proceed and give you some trading tips. Our aim is to provide you with the tools and knowledge to identify trading opportunities in the financial markets by using the reference framework provided. Funding companies. Don't trade your own money. Use a funding company to trade. Choose a $50,000 combine and do not trade more than 2 micro contracts until you pass the combine. You can obtain information on a trader funding company in this website under the Funding tab. Synchronize your clock. Every morning before trading, synchronize your computer clock with the internet in order to have it synchronized with the market. See the video before trading under the Educational Videos tab, where we will show you how to synchronize your clock. Furthermore, remember that your clock is run by a battery. As the battery gets old, your clock might be a few seconds behind the market, and this will make when you put an order to the market, the market is not going to be where you think it is. Economic news. Every morning, go to Forex Factory or to any other company that can provide you with economic news, and check the news that are in red that will usually impact the market, and be out of the market 5 minutes before the news. Draw a vertical line in your minute chart at the time of the red economic news to remind you to be out of the market during those news. You can see the video before trading also under the Educational Videos tab, where we will show you how to, if you're not familiar with Forex Factory, how to review all the economic news for the particular day. Money management. Your trading plan must have an entry point and a stop loss, and it may or may not have a target. Your stop loss will depend on your risk tolerance. That is the amount of money you are comfortable with losing. Therefore, set your stop loss before entering a trade. Never move your stop loss away from the entry point, thinking that the market will go your way, because that is the easiest way to blow up all your capital. Move your stop loss towards your entry point if the market is going your way. Trading plan. Have a trading plan that have a system which you are comfortable with, so that you know when to buy and when to sell. Your plan must have an edge and execute your system like a robot. If you do not have a plan, you're not trading, you're gambling. Remember that 95% of the traders are just gamblers. Look left. Draw your own support and resistance zones by looking left on the charts and identifying key support and resistance levels where price has reversed direction in the past. See the video setting up your framework in TradingView under the Educational Videos tab, where we will show you how to set up the framework and how to draw these lines. The barriers. Use the overnight high and overnight low prices and the settlement price as a reference of what the market has done. Look at the price with respect to the SR line and the VWAP line to determine if the trend is up or down. The overnight high and low, the VWAP and the SR line, and the settlement price line are all barriers. If price is coming from below, they will tend to act as resistance in the future. And if price is coming from above, they will tend to act as support in the future. And when they are broken, it signals a possible reversal of the trend. The volume versus price histogram. Look at the volume versus price histogram to know where the market is trading. Remember that trading in the red zone of the VP is very difficult because most of the buyers and sellers have orders there, which creates a consolidation zone without a definite market direction. The market will tend to move sideways in the red zone. That is why it is referred to as no man's land. Low volume areas will usually act as support or resistance, depending on the direction of the market. Control your emotions. Don't overtrade driven by impulsive decision making. Have the discipline to not deviate from your trading plan because it could result in big losses. Focus only on high probability trade setups according to your plan. Remember that certainty in trading is nil and that uncertainty is 100%. Stay on the sidelines like a tiger does when selecting its prey. Be patient and wait for the market to come to your trade setup and then enter the market. Remember, you can't lose money by not trading. Revenge trading. Avoid revenge trading. That is, after losing money, you attempt to recover that money impulsively. This will result in more losses and is one of the easiest ways to blow your trading capital. Stick to your plan and re-enter the market if the opportunity presents itself again, according to your trading plan. The trend is your friend. Trade in the direction of the trend and try to avoid trading in a sideways market. There is a saying that the trend is your friend until the end. Don't be a copycat. Don't imitate other people because their risk tolerance might not be the same as yours. And what works for someone else might not work for you. In trading, there is no one size fits all. Millionaire overnight. Forget about becoming a millionaire overnight and instead try to make small gains steadily every day. If you can make $100 a day consistently, then you will be able to make $500 a day consistently. We will show you how. Be patient. Remember, the market will always be there, but you might not be if you chase the market for fear of missing out. In other words, FOMO. The trading journal. Keep a trade journal to record your winners and losers. When you trade, write down whether your entry was short or long, the market trend, the reason for entry, etc. This will help you identify your mistakes and help you to avoid them in the future. The TradingView platform. If you're not familiar with the TradingView platform, then watch the video setting up the framework in the educational videos tab, where we will show you how we have set up the framework. Knowledge is power. After you become familiar with the framework and you have established a trading plan, you will have a trading advantage over other traders. And if you follow our suggestions, you will become a successful trader and create financial freedom for yourself, and we will have achieved our objective. Good luck, traders, and see you in the other educational videos.